In this lesson, we're going to learn about the rib function. A rib adds a thin-walled support to a solid body. Let's start by creating a sketch. On a right plane, we right-click, Insert Sketch. Let's choose a left view this time. Now, select the line tool, and we will draw our sketch. We'll exit the sketch here. Let's select the rib tool now. As you see, SolidWorks has automatically recognized the place where I want to create a rib. Let me enter a value of 2 millimeters and press Enter. The thickness we can choose from one side, the middle, or from the second side. I'll choose the middle. Now let's change the extrusion direction, and let's preview our rib. Click Accept. I'm going to create a second rib inside this box now. First, we will insert a support plane. Select Insert, Reference Geometry, Plane this time. Let's offset the plane 10 millimeters from the bottom of this box. Click OK. Now I will sketch on this plane. Right-click, select Insert Sketch. We will also take the normal to view. I choose the line tool now and create a sketch. And voila, we're finished. Exit the sketch. Now we activate the rib function. As you see, SolidWorks again automatically recognizes where we want to place this rib. I will enter a value of 2 millimeters and change the extrusion direction. Let's change the extrusion direction again. Preview. Okay, let's click Accept. That concludes our review of the rib tool.